Y'all, it's your girl Katia, aka Mariama May, and I am back again with another video. If you are new to my channel, welcome to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for supporting your girl. As you can see by the title, it's going to be a moisturizing video, so let's just get into it. Now, underneath this head wrap, you already know I be rocking my Travis Scotts over here, okay? So don't come for me in the comments. It is what it is. I'm on a healthy hair journey. I'm on a grow my hair journey. I wear head wrap. It's a protective style. It was the most, I don't wear weaves, I don't wear wigs, I don't wear that stuff. So this is what I do to protective style my hair. In 2019 I had the most hair growth, and it was because I give the credit to God and my head wraps, because I didn't really do anything to my hair. I just would wear head wrap. Sometimes I'll wear it out, but the head wrap, I wore that for a good little minute, and once I took it out, my hair was flourishing, it was thriving, it was longer. It got like about here. I don't know how long in the back, but it was sitting pretty. I'll find a picture and I'll show you guys. So that is what I'm gonna be doing this moisture video. So in here I have a spray bottle. It has nothing in particular, nothing special in here, just water. And then I have a MIELLE organic rice collection split end therapy that I put throughout my hair. And then I also have the MIELLE organic, however you pronounce it, Rosemary mint scalp and hair strengthening oil infused with biotin, and they say it encourages growth. I mostly put this just on my scalp. I don't really put it like all throughout my hair. I just kind of put it into my scalp. It says for daily use, scalp treatment, split end care. So these split end things, I mostly use this for scalp and this for my whole, hair strand. And then this, As I Am Restore and Repair Jamaican black castor oil smoothie with Jamaican black castor oil, vitamin C, and vitamin E. I got all these products minus the spray bottle. Got this from Family Dollar, from Sally Beauty. This was probably my most expensive item, but this should last me a long time just because I'm going to be protective styling for months. So this is the consistency of this. Is not very thick. It's a nice cream. As you can see, got a little of my hair in here, but that is the consistency of it. And the rice water thing does not smell at all. It smells good. So that's what I'm about to do. I'm going to just show you guys probably like one part of my hair. It's always a moment of truth when I do this, but I actually want to document this journey because I look forward to my hair growing out. Under my head wraps, I always put a bonnet because I care about my hair. I don't want rough material, rubbing up against it. So I'm about to really expose myself in this video, but okay. Normally I wear, look at my hair. Oh, I put my edges, I separate my edges from, y'all don't understand this moment of truth right here. I don't even know if I'm gonna share this video. I need to prepare myself. Hold on. Okay, so as you can see, if you can see, my hair is very thick and coarse under here. Y'all can see where my ends kind of, y'all can see where my ends can kind of, get a little damaged down here. Some of it is healthy, like the back is pretty healthy. Definitely back here. I separate, like I said, I separate my edges from, the rest of the braid because I just don't want my edges to be pulling in here. And I do edges for my styling, but I moisturized my edges yesterday. My hair feels kind of good, but this nape area right here where Patience used to be, if y'all don't know about Patience, go look at some older videos. But as you can see, my hair doesn't feel that bad, but what I do is I just spray some water. I don't have to drench it, but just get enough on there. Kind of make sure it's like in my hair. I don't typically take these braids down just because. And then like I said, the fellowship meeting just happened and I wear my edges out a lot, so I don't see the point in really wearing my edges out right now. My man was in town during the meeting, so my edges was important that, you know, the slayage was there for these head wraps. But my hair feels really good right now. So this is just something that I do. I don't really go taking them all down. I separate all the edges in the front and in the back. Y'all can see kind of the curl pattern here. But to make a long video short, the mirror is like right there. But I'm gonna go in now with the As I Am Restore and Repair Cream. So that's pretty moisturized. Try to get the ends really good. The edges really need that moisture. You put a little more water here. But yeah, these little braids have been in for a little minute. So now I'm gonna go in with the split end therapy after I put in the leave-in. I'm gonna go in with this. With this. And I just kind of put it, this smells so good, to be rice water mix. And I just put it like this along the whole braid. But this is really just how I moisturize my hair. So then I'm gonna go in with this, and then the very last thing that I use while my hair is protective styling is this shea butter. I got it from the beauty supply store. It's lasted me so long. It's $7.99 and it literally lasts me forever. It's 100% natural African shea butter. Now I'm going in with this in my scalp, and I just put it in different sections, different areas. I'm just gonna kind of massage it in there. So now I'm like trying to make sure my hair is moisturized and taken care of under here. So now I'm gonna just go in with some shea butter. So that's that. That is my moisturizing protective styling. And then this is just what it looks like. As you can see, it's shiny, it's healthy. I don't say healthy, it's shiny. I'm on my journey back to its health. It's not like sticking to my head like it was. You can see some of it is happy, some of it is a little damaged, but nonetheless, my hair is, you know, natural and it's getting its life back together. So then after that, I take my bonnet, I pop it on, and then I just leave my hair alone for a while. So that's that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, I will put the products that I used in the description box below. Without further ado, thank you for watching this video.